I was still alone the moment that you held me, 'cause I couldn't let go of who I thought I was. I guess that's how things go. It's yours and then it's history. When I was feeling ready, it ended just because. Am I a ghost in someone's body? Am I a voice inside your mind? And if I'm haunting you, I'm sorry. I haunt myself sometimes.
Unprepared for the things you've told me. I hope I didn't scare you. Buried in my thoughts. I hope you know how much I think I need you. So I write another poem and hope that that's enough.